Hi folks, just got my Stuart 9 running a whole lot better than it used to. I had a problem here in the valve chest, and it wasn't floating like it should have, and wasn't supported like it should have been either. So I called up my buddy Jed P, who has done a couple of these, and I asked him what was the miss. And he gave me some pointers and helped me out. And here she is running as low as I've ever got it to run. Just bumping right under 3 pounds pressure. Really runs good. I don't know if I'm going to improve that a whole lot, but I couldn't be happier with it right now. But, she's a nice, steady runner. So anyway, I thought I'd pop a short video in on the channel and place it on YouTube. Thanks for looking.